up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more lit content. We're on the way to this crazy ass car right here in Alameda, guys. Man, Goofer's back at it again, guys, with the crazy ass, loud ass M3. Stay tuned for more loud ass content, guys. Headphone users, I'm sorry. God. Alright guys, so we went this way because there's cops over there, but everybody literally went this way. A lot of crazy muscle cars, bro, and I really didn't want to pull up today, guys, to be honest. I really didn't. Shampoo pulled up?
Shampoo!
What up, Shampoo? What's up, bro?
Shampoo, dice.
Tráenalo ahorita.
Nice. Oh man, I am so happy, guys, that I can actually do that now here at Car Meets. I was never able to do that at all. But yeah, let's hop out. Let's go film some cars. I got you, bro. I got you. Oh my God, I'm done. I'm done. I am done. I am done. Good shit, bro. Yo guys, imagine one of these in the channel. I really want me one of these so bad, guys. The CO6, bro. Both of my dream cars at the same spot. That's mine though, but this is gonna be mine next. 100%, guys. I promise this thing is gonna be mine one day. I feel bad for the guys that got impounded. Literally, like when we were pulling up, there was like 4 cars that got impounded, guys. Sucks. This thing is gutted, bro. Look at that. I want to do this to my E36, bro. Hella bad. And the seats, bro. Damn, those seats are crazy. It's on bags too. Bro, look at this Camaro with the butterfly doors, guys. Bro, should I do that to my M3? With the butterfly doors? But man, the food looks fire, guys. Look at that thing. God damn. Freaking wheels in the back are crazy. Straight up looks like Ken Block's car. The Unicorn. It looks straight up like the Unicorn. The Unicorn's twin. Bro. That's gorgeous right there. Color's so perfect. This thing is crazy, bro. One day. This thing is looking clean, guys. That diffuser though.
GPS monitoring of the car.
Man, that thing is so clean. That McLaren though, guys, must be nice. The ZR1, bro. It's one of my dream cars right here, guys. Give me 5 years. Yeah, definitely 5 years I'll get one of these. Clean ass Supra. What up, G? What's up, bro? But right here though, this is where all the crazy muscle cars are at. That blue one right there, guys, man. What you got there, bro? Man, yeah, bro, I want a little piece. Oh, god damn, bro. We got this right here. Sheesh. Ryan got the same thing too. What? Man.
De la Champions League.
Fire, guys. You guys gotta check them out every time. Every time you guys pull up to a car meet, pull up to the vendors. Man, crazy food, guys. Over there, tacos and everything. I just didn't bring my freaking wallet. Well, I did. It's in my car. But they don't take any like cards or anything. They take cash. Cash only, boys. Grab it! Look at this fool, man. Hot Spanish? Can I get an autograph, bro? Shampoo? Hey, go. Hey, go.
It's stock.
Bro, everybody loved the freaking car, guys. Everybody loves the car. How crazy is this? Everybody loves my car. Man, thank you to everybody that just pulled up right there. Little crowd. I appreciate y'all. Oh my god.
Wait, no, mom just watch out, bro. Look at that thing.
So many cops right now, guys, that you guys have no idea. Yeah, we're definitely. I think I was the one that called the cops with this fucking exhaust, bro. Look at that, bro. They already have one right there. And no, not the CO6, bro. Bro.
Oh shit. Hey.
Oh my god, bro. The adrenaline is so crazy. It's the craziest feeling ever. I mean, it's meant to be there. Man. And guys, please smash the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. And stay tuned for more lit content, guys, like today. Today's a crazy day. Oh man. Man, he's smiling. That thing is clean, bro. A little bit of work, beautiful. Oh, there's an E10 right there too. How crazy is this? Bro, look at this thing right here, bro. That thing is a beauty. God. That thing is a beauty, bro. Man. Must be nice. You guys see, man, that car meet was freaking crazy, guys. Stay tuned for more late content. Follow the homie 350Zilla on Instagram. Follow myself on Instagram. And yeah, guys, smash the subscribe button. And I'll catch you guys in the next vlog, man. Let's get it.